If you are new to Mac and looking for how we can create a shortcut of any file, folder or program in, let's say, my macOS desktop, then this is how you can achieve that. You simply need to select the file or folder. For example, I wanted to create a shortcut of share folder. So simply select that folder and then make a right click. And here you will see option which says make alias. Just click on that. And then here you will see shortcut of that particular folder is created. Now you can simply drag and drop it to the location wherever you want. For example, I want it in desktop, so I just place this in my desktop. And in this way, guys, we have created its shortcut. Now let me also talk about method number 2, which you can do with ease just by utilizing your keyboard. So all you need to do is you need to first of all, of course, select the file or folder of whom the alias or shortcut you want to create. Now after, press command, then press option, and then simply drag that particular file or folder. And you will see the shortcut of that particular file or folder is created. Now let's talk about method number 3. In this case, again, you need to select file or folder, and then you need to go on the top in menu and then click on file. Then here you will again see the same option which will say make alias. So just click on that, and then again you will able to create shortcut of that file and folder. And it is also very easy to dock them, let's say in your macOS dock. All you need to do is, again, you need to simply press left mouse button and drag it and simply put that in your macOS dock. Now you will see when you are trying to place it toward left hand side, you may not, but whenever you're going to place this toward right hand side, here you will able to place this folder, and there we go. And the reason behind that is the left side of the dock is only reserved for apps only. However, on the right hand side, you can dock files and folder. Once you docked it, you simply need to click on that, and then you will see you are able to open file and folder. In this way, guys, you can create alias or shortcut in your macOS, thereby improving your productivity such that you do not need to go deeper inside to access certain very important file and folder. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to The Mac Essential, and I'm gonna catch you soon with one such another productivity video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.